Welcome back to Predator Airsoft. That was Big Lou getting shot, and here's Big Lou again. Bam! He hit pretty hard. I think he told me later that he just ran to the other side when he heard that. Anyways, welcome back. Thank you for watching. And this is gameplay at Stampede Cowz Airsoft Field from February 8th, 2020. Alright, I'll take a single shot here at the guy, and I don't think I hit him, and hit him in the cheek there. Second shot.
Hit! Hit!
And here's Lou again. And I'm going to play this one in slow motion because neither one of us really know if I hit him or not, but it does look like it. So here's the shot coming up. See the BB go into the sunlight, and then it goes right to the right of the board, and I assumed it hit him. He ducked back, and then a few minutes later he shot me. This was a long distance shot. Shocked that I actually got the guy. And as you can see, there's a lot of trees in the way, a lot of branches. This is a favorite spot of mine, but at the same time, it's a very difficult spot because of all the branches in the way.
Yeah. Got him.
And there's someone that took it in the head or the neck. I couldn't really tell which. On this day, this was a really good spot. Everybody kept going into that kill house. And it was easy pickings. And there's a lot of new people there. Usually I'll name the players that are playing, but we do have a lot of new players coming out to, there's a headshot, to Cowz Airsoft Field. And for you guys that are new, maybe you're new to Airsoft or relatively new to Airsoft, and you've come out to the field. I know that there's one young man who messaged me or replied to one of the videos. Finally called that hit. But you know, you guys will, you know, some of them said, hey, I'm new, you know, I don't have a very good gun. You know, none of that really matters. That stuff comes with time. We all started out the same way. So don't ever be, you know, I guess intimidated or shy about coming up and saying hello. You can always come sit at our table. We would be happy to have you. This guy is the luckiest guy in the world. Right here, he pulls some ninja shit on me. I pulled that trigger. I knew that BB was going to hit him. So I slow it down here. It's fucking Jackie Chan. Bam. What the hell was that? Pull some kung fu crap out of his freaking butt. There's another slow motion shot. You can see it, just get the guy's arm. He did go back to respawn. I didn't slow it down for the sake of saying he cheated or anything. He did call it, but I like to slow down some of these shots just to see the impact. Here's buckshot. Let me slow this down. And here we go. Boom. Here's another headshot. And I'll slow it down. You can hear it ding right off his helmet. Boom. This was a long shot.
Corner's clear.
That one looked like it stung a little bit. Let's take a look at that in slow motion as well. Watch the BB hit him, and he reacts. I think that would hurt. I apologize a little bit. He knew he was.
Building over here. You need to watch out
He
for.
hit it. It took him hit him in the chest. He felt it. He did hit him in a plate carrier. Thank God he did feel it and call it, because it was a nice shot.
I got him.
There's one in the plate carrier. And here's buckshot again. Let me slow it down. See if we can see it hit his goggles. Really couldn't really see it, but he did call it. I was actually going for the guy kneeling down by the board with the hat on right there. I could have swore I hit him a couple times. I do end up getting him here in a minute, but you'll see his teammates run up and they get in the fork of that tree behind him. Comes. Boom. Got him and the girl here. Got her. Today was a good day. The weather was great. A lot of, like I said, a lot of new people, and hey, even the here we go. That's where I get him. Boom.
I got the guy behind the bunker.
That one. We really appreciate all the people coming out, and even the, here's where he got me. This is buckshot again. He's back again. I don't know why I didn't pull the trigger. I have no idea. I was having a brain fart. I was probably smelling flowers or something.
All right. I'll take care of them. Watch that kill house door, because hit.
That hit Matt in the arm. A little bit of a welt, but it wasn't too bad. Called his hit, and then we got another one. I was actually laying on the ground there. I'd never lay down, but that day I had to. And that was actually from last week. That was not this week. It was not the 8th. There was a long distance shot back in. I love it when they do the little stutter step shuffle. And this guy gets me. There he is.
Yeah.
There's Micah. See, he kind of lost his momentum once he felt the shot. This one was actually a no scope. I saw the guy running, boom. And you can't really see, but I got him, so I'll slow it down so you can see that. It was a pretty cool shot. So I'm getting a lead, trying to get a lead on him so I don't miss him. And I fired right there. You'll see the BB come out. Hits him right on the arm, right there, and you'll see it bounce off his arm. So that was it was a surprising shot. I never thought I was going to hit him. I actually didn't even have it scoped. Here's Greb. I thought I hit him right there, so I slowed it down here. So we'll take a look, see what happens. Go real slow. There's the shot. See the BB going. Pretty sure I hit him in the arm or the shirt there. You almost see it move. You can see it buckle on the right side, even though it hit him under the green leaf there on the left. And then he reached up for it. But I don't know if he thought maybe it was a ricochet or something. And then he kept walking, and he's getting closer and closer to me. So they're right there. I'm like right on the cusp of the 100-foot engagement rules. So take a couple shots, you can see I'm hitting the twig right there in front of me. I can't get to him. So what I decided to do, as you'll see here in a second, I laid my SSG down. I pulled out my the Novritsch SSG24 with the suppressor on it. And even though you don't see the shot, you can hear me take 2 shots, and he calls it and says, "Nice hit." He thought that it was a sniper rifle there. I got lucky, even though it hit the leaf in front of me, it went through and hit him. It was a nice shot. And then here's a friend with the helmet again. And then he ducked down. I thought I hit him. He ducked down, ran over here to this part of the structure. And this time, I think he felt it. You'll hear him ask, "What was that?" And then I answer him once he walks away, so he doesn't know where I'm at. You see him looking, he has no clue. God bless him.
A Novritsch SSG24.
This is our buddy Zach. He's new to the field. He's been coming out for about a month and a half now. Good guy. I thought I hit this guy the first time right there. He was in motion, probably didn't feel it. He definitely felt it on the chest there. He called it some. I'm quite sure he just didn't feel it the first time. Here's the helmet again. Sorry about that, buddy. I slowed it down there as the BB shot out so you could see it. Thought I hit him in the hip. Definitely hit him with that one, as you can see. Still didn't call it.
You're hit!
Sometimes you have those. So that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Like the video if you like, if you did like it. And please come on out. You guys that are new, keep coming out. Sometimes people come out that get hit once or twice. They say, it's not for me. But just, give it a fighting chance. Come on out and enjoy the day. Enjoy the camaraderie and, enjoy some airsoft. It's a lot cheaper and a lot less painful than paintball. Next week we'll try to do some videos of other people and their guns. We'll put some cameras on some of the younger guys' guns and see what kind of video we can get with them. That's it for me. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night, and we'll see you next weekend.